Howdy folks, Effing Controller here, back with more Crusader Kings 2, playing as the Kingdom of Georgia. And, you know, hats off to King Andronik. He's been one heck of a king, despite his facial hair, which we're going to attend to. You know what? Go with that. I like it. Andy here, he's been spectacular. He's been king for, what, 17 years? When did he ascend to the throne? We could look at the tree. That's the wrong tree. This is what I want. 1226. So almost 17 years. He's just an all-around great guy. And I think that he's going to be emperor someday. And I aim to make that happen, but it's going to be a little complicated. The best way to do that is through war. I would like to probably take Azerbaijan, but I want the Ghafurid Caliphate here to kind of get a little bit more unsteady before I do that, because... What? Oh, very good. Well, wait. I thought that I had that. Where's my reliquary or whatever? My treasury. Oh, well, I guess they have another finger. Well, anyways, I'm going to party with my friend here so I can possibly get rid of stress and possibly win battle tech or whatever it is that we play. But it's just tricky. I want to... I think here's the plan in the short term. I want to take Azerbaijan because it gives me some insurance against the Mongols. Now, the Mongols are friendly with me right now for the time being. They're winning this revolt, last I checked. Gvansa! Excellent. So, you know, we don't have to worry about them specifically. Yes! I'm an apprentice board gamer! It's awesome. It's totally unnecessary. Yeah. Let's go with that. And I did not lose stress. That's a shame. Let's pause real quick while I actually talk about matters of import. Did they have another revolt? Did this get... Is this a new... Well, anyways, let's sort things out real quick. I would like to take this, Azerbaijan, in case the Mongols get hungry and want to have a little nibble of Georgia, because it is part of a different kingdom. If they do declare for a kingdom, that will just get taken, as opposed to all of this. They could very easily declare Fort Georgia, in which case they would just take all of my core lands, which would be a disaster. So, something to think about there. But they're friendly with me for the time being. I would like to wait until the Ghafurids have another revolt, which seems to have happened. So, I think his levies are going to be pretty wretched. So, I imagine I'm going to go for it here. Go for it. There we go again. We're going for it. We're going for it. I think I'm going to do this. And that helps because that will hopefully give me some prestige, which I want to attain because I want to be emperor someday. And I need prestige in order to do that. I'm going to all of the wrong screens as per usual. There we are. Okay. You guys are just so terribly far away. And let's see. So how many troops is this? That's a fucking lot of troops. Okay. So. Okay, let's narrow that down a little bit. Perfect. Y'all go that way. And then y'all. All y'all. Come here. Splendiferous. And I get to get a doggy, and I get even more diplomacy. Oh Jesus, that's terrible. Don't get rid of the dog. I'm gonna name my dog Faithful, because that's just a disastrous name for a dog. We could call the dog Faith for short, I guess. Faith is also kind of a shitty name for a dog, but you could have 3 different dogs, Hope, Faith, and Charity. That might be kind of fun. Great names for strippers. Shameful. Shameful remarks. Okay. So you guys are still going up there, correct? Cool. Great. Neat. I want y'all to go over there. No! Don't die, please! We have only just begun! This is all for you, buddy! And so the marriage that is actually causing my non-aggression pact is now being cemented. That's very good news. Let's go ahead and get you in there. Okay. Slowly but surely my other forces... The dog is growing quickly and is no longer a little puppy. He runs fast and has a keen nose and is just ever so sweet. He's a good dog. They're all good dogs, Bront. But, my dog's the best dog, because it's the king's dog. Okay. Introduced Count... Fuck. Georgian is a just inscrutable language for me. They didn't get along. That's a shame. Okay. This is a large army. What happened to my commanders? What's going on here? Sometimes they just kind of disappear on you. Just promote everybody that can be a commander, please. Splendid. Okay. Now I could take the field, I suppose. Okay, khaki there. I'm in this. I'm not sure I like that idea, but we'll see what happens, I guess. Plus, if am I still ill? Yeah, that might not be prudent. Let's maybe soft pedal that. Oh, there's another Andronik. How confusing. What's this? Who are you? The Exarch of Jerusalem wants to marry my bastard sister, who is just full of venereal disease. You guys go have fun. She is an elusive shadow, though, so I can't blame him. If you like to have sex with shadows, she's perfect for you. Mongols have... Looks like they've kind of resolved their revolt, but... I don't know. I don't know what's going on. There's a peasant revolt, and then there's another different revolt. We're having a little bit of a kerfluffle there in the Mongol Empire. I need to be careful about zooming out like that, because they could just come at me like a hurricane. So-called badass has taken that county, and how's that? Hang on. 0%. Okay, well, it sucks. We did lose some troops there, but we are now no longer losing them. Whew, dodged a bullet. Not sure how much war score we're going to get for taking all this stuff. We're getting a pretty good chunk of it, though. Just from this one province, and then what happens with this? Oh. Huh. That's kind of a dick move. It's a little bit worrisome. It's a duke taking a county from one of his constituent vassals. Right? Yep. What a prick. Oh, well. What happened here? Oh, shit. Well, the Aghlabids are not as mighty as they once were. That's still not great news. Just keep an eye on things. Make sure that We don't have some massive army that suddenly shows up. Hey, right on cue. So that county has been totally... What are you talking about? Forget that. Forget that just hilarious bullshit. That is... You brought 14 ships to bring over 74, or I guess possibly up to 250 troops. Wow. Man, what kind of... Ew, that's bad. Get out of there. Oh, shit. It's too late now, and I'm still going to take 30. Okay, get out of there. Get... Jesus. Ah, okay, well now it's a good time to do this. And so, there's a jihad for Mesopotamia. That's bad timing. Hey, have we ever dealt with that other... Oh, man. That's an adjacent province for that shit. That's not great. Okay, so they're gonna sit tight. And what... Oh, that's not a disaster. So that county is mine. And I tell you what, we're gonna split this army. Might be a mistake. Is that me? Hey, alright. I shall bravely lead our troops to victory against this insignificant group of rabble here. Okay, you guys kidding me right now? You guys are the sweetest little vassals. Look at you. Look at you and your like little baby birds. There you go. There's Mama Bird giving you the worm. That's gross. And who is... Whoa! Hey now! What happened there? You are all very bad at intrigue. God almighty. Okay. Here, hang on. Okay. And study tech. Okay. And there we go. I might have to cut this episode a little bit short, but hopefully we can finish this conquest here. It'd be pretty special if we could do that, wouldn't it? Timrat Khan is up here, right? I didn't... I am not aware of such things. Alright. Sometimes the interface gets quiet. I don't know why. She says that Andronik is being a naughty boy. Let's sit tight with that. That's... Frequently, that is not useful information for me, so... Be really nice if I could get Azerbaijan here. Where's he going? Going over there. Come on, guys. Oh, man. Really, really, really want to get rid of this. Can we have another party? Oh, shit. Come on. What's our moral authority at? What's going on here? It's abysmal. Okay, well... Hopefully that'll be helped somewhat. Hello. Be careful playing fast and loose here with the time multiplier. Ooh. They are arriving 9th of June and 12th of June. 1st of June. 30th of May. Daddy like. Hey, you surrender. How very timely. Alright, that was a lucky break there. I don't know if we would have been able to sustain that whole situation for too long. Because they were about to put the boots to me, but that's... Hey, you know, I'm a pro. I've been playing this game for a while. I know the score. Let's create vassals. Alright. And that brings that county back. We've, was at one point part of our mighty kingdom. It has been reunited, and it feels so good. And so all of these are going to have to be given away now. But to whom? That's an open question. I have cousins who might enjoy that, but they already have titles, so I might just kind of look through my court here. Oh, look at all you! What's this? Oh no. Hey, wait a minute. Hey! Neat! Money in the bank! Oh, that's awesome. Well, everybody get out, because you've been in prison for 28 years for just being on the wrong side of an argument, essentially. Oh, that's fantastic. Look at the size of our kingdom. That's kind of worrisome. Okay, we need to deal with this, though. Seriously. Who are you? Well, hang on. Let's look at my family here. So I have two sons, twin sons, in fact, who are not going to come of age anytime soon. I have 4 counties to dispense with. So I tell you what, we're going to create... Can I not create this? Do I own that title already? Oh, boo-hoo. Dimitri, I like it. I'm threatening, but that will go away soon, I hope. I'll tell you what, we might just have to kind of give this away to randos, which I don't like doing, but... Shamaka. It's weird that I can't create that title. Right? Because I should be able to... Unless somebody else holds it. Which would be a bit silly. That's a little mysterious. Well, you know what? I'm going to think a little bit about what to do with these counties. I'm not sure, again, why I can't create the duchy unless somebody owns it already, which is entirely possible. Can I usurp it? I don't see anything saying I can usurp it either. Okay. Well, we'll look into that a little bit in the time between this episode and the next. I do, unfortunately, though, have to bid you all farewell for the time being. Until next time, this has been Effing Controller, playing Crusader Kings 2. See you later.